In this video, we're going to talk about how to find terms in a sequence. This question says, given the sequence, find the first 5 terms. This sequence is written with A notation. You could also write the same sequence with function notation, and it would look basically the same. If we're finding the first 5 terms, we're going to plug in 1 through 5 into our sequence. So I'm going to make a table here. And I'm going to plug in 1 through 5, and we'll see what happens. All right, so I'm going to plug in 1, and if I do 1, I've got 10 to the power of 1 minus 1. And I'm going to see if I can just make this a little bit organized. So I'm going to plug in 1, f of 1. Is 10 to the power of 1 minus 1? Well, that's just 10 to the power of 0. So that's just 1. Now I'm going to plug in 2. I'm going to get f of 2. That means I'm going to do 10 to the power of 2 minus 1 because I'm plugging in 2. Well, that's just going to be 10. Okay, I'm starting to see how this works. What if I plug in 3? All right, I've got f of 3, or I could say it's a sub 3. It's going to be 10 to the power of 3 minus 1. So that's 10 squared, so that's just 100. And after that, we don't even need to plug things in because we can see that this pattern is just multiplying by 10 every time. So we can say the 4th term is going to be 1,000. And the 5th term is going to be 10,000.